Hey guys, we are Leah and Sean with Heirloom and Time, and we just wanted to hop on and talk with you guys a little bit about wedding days, wedding seasons, engagement, and all the fun things. In this video, we're going to talk about how to save money on your wedding. Now, according to The Knot, in 2016, the average cost of an American wedding was over $35,000.
Oh my gosh, that sucks.
No one needs to spend that much on a wedding. Now, if you have that money and you want to, that's awesome. I'm super pumped. But a lot of us don't, so here's some tips on how to get through it and have an awesome day that you love without breaking the bank.
Tip number one, choose what's most important to you and invest in that. For us, it was photo, video, wedding dress, flowers, all of the pretty things, right? We were lucky enough to have a friend who's an amazing videographer to just say, hey, can I do your wedding film? And we're like, yes, please, that would be amazing. Sit down with your spouse and talk through things that maybe you can, not spend so much money on and really invest in those important things.
So number two is a fun one, at least for me. And it is DIY, thrift, and get creative. Now you can always rent a bunch of uniform decorations, have someone set them up for you. But if you are looking at your budget and you are a crafty type, I would just make some things yourself. Obviously, Pinterest is a wealth of information and inspiration, so check it out and let's get crafty.
He's trying to pick his way. Can you knock
through the concrete?
Tip three, get your friends to contribute their talents. They probably want to help you. We had our friends play music for the night. Someone at our church made the food. I bet your aunt could probably make a really good cake. You never know until you ask.
All right, tip number four has to do with every girl's dream, her wedding dress. Now, this is a place where you can spend a whole lot of money, but what I would encourage you to do if you're on a budget is find a pre-owned wedding dress. I actually found my dress at a bridal boutique for $1,300, and I went home pretty sad because that just wasn't in our budget. I went to the interwebs and I found the same dress for half the price on preownedweddingdresses.com. Found it from a girl in California who was really sweet, and she was just selling it because she didn't need it anymore. So a used wedding dress is sustainable, it's smart, and it can save you lots of money.
Tip number five, plan your wedding around mealtimes. This is definitely where you can trim a lot of costs when you're planning your wedding. We looked up a statistic that said a caterer costs anywhere from $40 to $60 a plate. Times that by 200, 250 people, and I don't even want to do the math on that, honestly. So keep that in mind when you're planning your wedding day. Stick to an afternoon brunch or pre-dinner or post-dinner ceremony. That can really save you a lot of money. Thanks for watching this video. Definitely use that subscribe button for more videos like this in the future. And if you have any tips and tricks that you'd like to share, definitely leave those in the comments, and we look forward to seeing you.